Welcome everyone to our tutorial about how to top up your Metamask wallet and some other features that we are going to show you. So initially, to be able to interact with our platform, the vFlow service platform, you have to set up a Metamask hot wallet. In order to do that, for those of you who haven't set up a Metamask wallet previously, I'm going to explain to you today how you are going to set up Metamask and, of course, how you're going to send money into your Metamask account so you are able to purchase any of our NFTs or our trading engine subscription, and, of course, interact with the rest of the platform. So initially, step A is to be able, before you set up Metamask, to have USDT in BEP20 network, in the BNB Smart Chain Network, in order to send it to your Metamask account. So in the previous tutorial, the Kraken tutorial, I showed you how to reach this level where you have at this point converted your euro to Tether USDT, and now you can withdraw them to an external address. In order to do that, you will have to use Binance in order to convert your USDT to the BEP20 network, because right now your Tether is just sitting on the Tron or Ethereum network. So here you will go to your Binance account, you will choose here the fiat and spot, and you will find USDT in the list. Press deposit. In here you select Ethereum, you will copy this address, and you can also select the Tron network if you like. Either way, you can select the Tron network and then go here to Kraken, select the same network as you can see here, Tron, paste the address that you got from Binance, paste it here, 100% withdrawal amount or whichever amount that you like, send it to Binance, and you are set. It will just sit there, and I'm just going to show you what you're going to do in order to send it to Metamask. So here you go to metamask.io. I have a link in the description where you are going to download Metamask for Chrome or any other browser that you may have. And initially, when you start the process, you can go here, download for Chrome. When you download Metamask, it will ask you whether to import a seed phrase. So in this case, you don't have the seed phrase. Or if you want to reset your Metamask account, you are going to select to import a node wallet that you have a recovery seed. Otherwise, you will set up a new wallet, and you are going to use, listen to this carefully, you are going to use a piece of paper where you are going to write down the 12 words that Metamask is going to provide you in the sequence that is provided by Metamask. And after you write them on a piece of paper, just scan it, make 1 or 2 copies, and keep them safe wherever you want. Don't keep them on your PC as a digital file. So once you write the words, Metamask will ask you to confirm the words in the correct sequence. So you just click on the words. I'm not showing you this because I have already set Metamask, and I'm not able to set it up again. So you will import the words, and once you're set up, then we will proceed to the next step, which is setting up the networks and deposit addresses in your Metamask. I'm going to show you this right now. So once you see the pop-up window from Metamask, you can go here to 3 dots and select Expand View so you can see it in full mode. Initially, when you land on Metamask, I have it in dark mode. It's better that way. You see that you are going to prefer it this way. So you have to select a network. In our case, you have the Ethereum mainnet, and you have the Smart Chain as well. So you can select Smart Chain, and you can switch to Ethereum mainnet. As you can see here, it's my Ethereum wallet, and I'm going to switch to Smart Chain here, which is the Binance Smart Chain. I already have some tokens here. Initially, you're not going to have any, so you will have to import some tokens into Metamask. So once you have your 12 words seed phrase, you have kept it safe. Now you move on to set up your account. Your deposit address is this one right here. You can click on it. and automatically the system copies the address. Now you will have to deposit USDT. You see here that we don't have any USDT. In any case, if you want to add any cryptocurrency to MetaMask, you can go directly to CoinMarketCap. And here, as you can see, USDT, click on the cryptocurrency that you found there. You can do it on CoinGecko as well. And you can see here that going to the specific page of Tether USDT, we'll go to contracts, click on more, and copy the Binance Smart Chain BEP20 address. You can copy the address, or you can just press add to MetaMask. You will see a pop-up window where you have to verify the addition of the token into your account. You can go here as well and see that we have USDT. I've imported the smart contract directly from CoinMarketCap. Or I can go back, as I told you, here we go to CoinMarketCap and we are going to select BEP20 here, and we're going to add it to MetaMask. You see the pop-up window coming up here. And yes, of course, we're going to add this to our account, and see here you have added USDT. Now, in order to top up your account, you just click on your account here, and then you will go to Binance to make the next step. You will go here to Fiat and Spot in Binance. You will find USDT, and you are going to select withdraw in the options. Here we selected withdraw. Then we are going to select USDT. We are going to copy our MetaMask account. It's a BEP20. So don't forget to select here BEP20 and select withdraw. And that's it. You are going to send USDT to your MetaMask wallet, and you are set. You will have available USDT in your MetaMask wallet in the BEP20 network, and you are ready to interact with the vFlow services platform. So another advice that I have to give to you definitely is that by going here to these three dots, you can go and select to connect other accounts as well. If you go here to demo accounts, MetaMask gives you the option to connect Ledger as well to MetaMask. So I strongly advise to watch our Ledger tutorial and connect your Ledger to MetaMask, so you have a dedicated account which only approves transactions through your Ledger. That means that no one can hack your Ledger, no one can hack your MetaMask wallet in order to take the funds out of it. So you can keep your vFlow tokens or any token in your Ledger directly through the interface of MetaMask by creating a specific account to use. In this case, you can go here and select add hardware wallet, and MetaMask is going to give you the option to connect your Ledger. Before you press Ledger here in this step, please connect Ledger into your PC, unlock it on any wallet. We prefer to unlock it on the Ethereum wallet, and you can go to the Ethereum settings, and when you unlock settings, please enable blind transactions, blind signing as an option. And if you enable blind signing, then you can click here, connect your Ledger, and you will select which of your Ledger wallets and accounts you want to connect. Select any of it that you keep your coins at. Select the Ledger account, and then you will have your Ledger account accessible through MetaMask, and any coins that you send inside MetaMask can be kept safe in your Ledger account in MetaMask. So you can keep all of your tokens and coins in the Ledger account in MetaMask, and then just transfer in and open another account to your initial account, account one, any of the coins that you wish to send for any transaction, but keep your main portfolio in your Ledger account within your MetaMask. So here we complete this tutorial about MetaMask and how to set it up, send USDT, and keep it safe. We are going to prepare a second tutorial on how to do it to connect Ledger with MetaMask, but we strongly suggest from the initial for the initial tutorial to order a Ledger. We have a link in the description, and set it up connected to MetaMask. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.